Nice one. So today we're going to show you exactly how to make a nice, lovely mango smoothie. All right. So it is mango smoothie. All right, with spinach and sea moss. I love my mango. All right. So we got mango. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some fresh ginger to it. All right. Instead of, we're just gonna use some fresh ginger. All right, so fresh ginger and fresh lemon works really well with it, guys. All right, so we're gonna put, so right here we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of fresh organic ginger into it. And what we're gonna do next, we're gonna get some lemon juice. All right. So right here, we're gonna get 1 teaspoon of lemon juice into it. So we got some sea moss. This is some sea moss. If you want to get some good sea moss, go to oceanmoss.co.uk. We're gonna put 1 teaspoon into the blender. All right, now this is where the most beautiful part gonna come. All right, guys. So right here, what we're gonna do, we're going to put some spinach into the blender like this. All right, fantastic. Squeeze it down in it so we got a little bit of room also inside of it, and that is excellent. So very simple recipe, but also very delicious. All right. I have some leftover cucumber, which I'm gonna also put inside of it. God, that's natural. All right. Beautiful. Now, what we're gonna also do, all right, just to give you guys beautiful one. So we're gonna add a little bit of liquid to it, roughly about 1/4 cups of water inside of it. You don't want to add too much. All right. Now, what we're going to do next is put our blender lid on, and we're going to blend this together. All right. It's beautiful. Nice one, as you can see. Now, that looks amazing. All right, with all of the ingredients inside of it. So we didn't use any honey inside of it. All right, we just try to leave it naturally. So let's put this right here. We're going to make a little bit of a noise. All right. So I know you guys will love this one. All right, and trust me, this smoothie is amazing. All right, 100%, guys. And to be honest with you, drink some healthy smoothie in the morning. You can never go wrong. All right, and that's where what I like having a very healthy smoothie. I would normally put a little bit of information in the description box. All right. So this is it right here. Wow. That looks good. All right. That is amazing. Now, that's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Look at that, guys. That is so beautiful. All right. Yeah. Now, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo to you guys. All right. As you can see, fantastic. Big up on yourself, and my respect goes for you. And I will be see you next time with more healthy recipe. Bye bye for now.